founder nurse, not only nurse, founder nurse. And you know the founder, any founder is having a special job. Who develops such a good relationship with patient that patient does not feel that he is away from home.
You have the advantage of being in the foundation of the hospital of B.S. Amma International Medical College and Hospital, and I think this is a great opportunity for all of you to go beyond what you have learned in your nursing.
ভাবিব কোনেনো কোৱা সমনীয়া